We have a square. Square. Okay, and then we're going to make another square. This one, pull a little bit. And this one, pull a little bit and then lock. There you are. So we will start with the square. And after we do this, we're going to start folding diagonally. So we'll start with this one to the left. And this one to the left. Look, this one to the right. And then lock. So it is still a square, but you will see that there's a very slight angle. There's a difference here. So we'll start again. So from this one to the left, and to the right, and lock. Ta-da! So just pull it, pull to tighten. Go back to this guy, to the left, to the left, to the right, and then lock. Okay, and then pull again, tighten. Can you see this one? There are so many sides. Instead of 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 sides. And then we'll start with this guy again. To the left, to the left, to the right, and oops, lock. Oops. There. One more. There. Let's pull. There. Yeah. There. Okay. Let's make one more. To the left. To the left. To the left. No, it's right. To the right. And lock. And then hold tight, because we're going to make sure not going to run away. Okay. We're done. So that's the same. We have 8 sides. Let's start. The right side, left side. And then the next leaf on top. Over and under. Square. Let's make another square. Secure the base. Hold this. We will start with this leaf to the left. Oops, 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 oops. See, it crossed diagonally and to the left. This one to the right, and then lock. This way again.